If you are having problem recovering your old Free Fire account and you don't have access to your email or password or either number, today in this video we'll be guiding you on how to recover account even if you don't have these details. First, if you don't have email, password or phone number, recovering the account is still possible. However, if you have no information about the account, it becomes challenging. It's most that you need to have or remember your username or associated email address. Now to do this, let's open our browser. On here, type Facebook. And on here, tap login. As we don't have access to our email or password, simply tap on forget password. From here, enter your username and tap continue. After this, tap on try another way. Now, if you have used any recovery email before, you can simply tap on get code or link via email. Or if you don't have any recovery email, then you can tap get code via Facebook notification. From the either way, just tap continue. Now the Facebook will send you the code depending on the option that you've chosen. And after you enter that code, you'll successfully recover the Facebook that was linked to your Free Fire. And hopefully you'll be able to log into your Free Fire again. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.